Receiving money into your PayPal personal account, Receive Money wallet is easy, but you must know the charges. Stay tuned as we give you the exact steps and smart tricks to avoid hidden fees. Here is your simple step-by-step guide. First, ensure your personal PayPal account is fully verified, meaning your email address and bank account are linked. Second, simply give the sender your registered PayPal email address. They will send the funds and the money will instantly appear in your PayPal wallet. Third, to use the money, log in and select Transfer Funds to move the balance to your linked bank account. Now, let us talk about the charges. Often the biggest headache when you PayPal personal account receive money internationally or for services. For domestic payments received from friends and family, the fee is often zero. However, international payments or any payments for goods and services will incur a fee. The charge typically ranges from 3% to 5% of the transaction amount, plus a fixed fee. If currency conversion is involved, PayPal also adds a foreign exchange margin, which can be another 3.5% to 4.5%. The best trick to minimize costs is to ensure the sender uses the friends and family option only if the transaction is non-commercial, meaning no goods or services are exchanged. Another smart tip is to ask the sender to select the I will pay the fee option to ensure you receive the full intended amount. Always withdraw funds in bulk to your bank, as instant transfers can sometimes have small charges. Use these tips to optimize your global payments.